So many people wonder what is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj connection with Goa. This temple located in Narve will unfold this golden history for us. Namaste, I am Savani Shetye. I am an archaeologist from Goa and today we are visiting Shri Saptakoteshwar Devasthan located in Narve, Bicholim, Goa. Shri Saptakoteshwar is a form of Shiva. He was also the Kuladevata of the Kadamba dynasty that ruled in Goa from the 10th to 13th century. The original temple was built here at this location by the Kadamba dynasty. The temple was first destroyed by the Bahmani, rebuilt by the Vijayanagar Empire, and then the temple was destroyed by the Portuguese. So Shivalinga from here in Diwar was taken to Hindare village, which is today known as Narve. In the year 1668, Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, during his visit to Goa, restored the temple and did the Jirnodhar of this temple. This restoration was not only a rebuilding of just one temple, but it was the revival of the lost culture and pride of Goa. So when you visit this temple, do notice this inscription here that mentions the name of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The temple has now completed more than 350 years, and to commemorate this occasion, Department of Archaeology, Government of Goa has restored the temple using scientific restoration methods. The restoration process of this temple revealed a lot of interesting historical information. The wall that you can see here is not built by adding one brick on top of another. It's a complete single laterite rock. And the main Garbhagruha was carved in that laterite block. Here behind this wall is the Garbhagruha, and on top of here, on top of a Garbhagruha, there is one chamber. So information about this rock cut cave as well as the chamber can be found on this information boards like this. The Kavi art here is redone using the original technique and using red mud and lime powder. To make this place as a thriving place for historians, tourists and devotees, the archaeology department has also introduced different information boards where one can learn about the history and the legacy of this temple. Do add this temple at Narve in your next bucket list to Goa to experience the spiritual side of Goa and of course to pay tributes to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
आम्ही फुडल्या असा तसो 100 वर्षाचो विचार करून त्या देवळाची तशी पुनर्बांधणी केली असा. निश्चितरित्या हे त्याच फुडल्या 100 वर्षा खातीर देऊळ हे आमकां स्मारक म्हणून हांगासर उरतले.